The new Allmand Lite Pro 2 V-Series Portable Light Tower, the latest in Allmand's world-renowned light tower lineup, features a multi-section extendable mast that is always oriented in the vertical position. The lamp fixtures on this unique light tower are completely contained within the footprint of the trailer. Unlike conventional light towers, the lights do not overhang the rear of the trailer enclosure. This greatly reduces the possibility of damaging the light fixtures in transit and reduces the amount of space required for storage. Available with Kohler, Kubota, or Cat diesel power, the radiator cooling fan for each model engine is a pusher type. Cooler outside air is drawn into the enclosure through vents on the side, and heat from the radiator is forced outside the enclosure. The engine exhaust also exits through the rear of the enclosure, reducing the possibility of recirculating exhaust gases into the engine air intake. Environmental protection is always an issue on any job site. The full fluid containment system on the V-Series virtually eliminates the possibility of environmental contamination due to an oil or fuel leak in the trailer. The containment system holds a minimum of 110% of the fuel and oil used in the operation of the light tower. A readily accessible remote oil drain helps make scheduled maintenance easier than ever. The 30-gallon poly fuel tank is centered over the trailer axle, maintaining the balance of the trailer regardless of the amount of fuel in the tank. The towing characteristics of the V-Series trailer do not change as the level of fuel in the tank changes. Sturdy, double-wall molded poly fenders resist damage, yet are easy to replace if necessary. The lamp ballast enclosures are easily accessed when the Pro 2's gull-wing doors are opened. Individual ballast components may be replaced if necessary, eliminating the need to replace an entire assembly. Like all current Allmand light towers, the Pro 2 V-Series features an adjustable height, reversible hitch assembly with a combination 2-inch ball coupler and 3-inch pintle type hitch, and also a removable 3-inch square tube drawbar assembly that allows maximum turning radius. The drawbar also serves as the front outrigger, and the attached screw jack is used, along with the outriggers and rear stabilizing jack, to level the trailer and also to aid in connecting to the towing vehicle. There are 2 sliding outriggers with screw jacks at the front of the enclosure. Each is held in place with a captive lock pin. The outriggers are plated to resist corrosion and have an extension stop so that they cannot be pulled out of the frame. The captive pin engages a hole in the outrigger when it is fully extended. The outrigger jacks can then be rotated into position and used, along with the drawbar and rear stabilizer jacks, to level and stabilize the trailer. Allmand Pro 2 light towers have nearly indestructible polymer gull-wing style enclosure doors that allow easy service access to all major components in the enclosure. An automotive style lockable door latch holds the doors securely closed, and a positive self-latching system holds the doors open during operation or maintenance. Rotate the ignition key to activate the glow plug, then rotate the key in the opposite direction to start the engine. This unit has a Cat engine. The control panels of other engine options are similar. Consult your operator's manual for detailed starting instructions. The 4 SHO-HD lamps may be positioned from ground level without the use of tools. Pull the spring-loaded pin to release the light bar latch, then loosen the light bar clamps and rotate the light bar as necessary to position the lights. A step plate is provided on the trailer drawbar to allow the operator to easily reach and aim the lights. Position each light to allow maximum coverage of the area to be illuminated. The lights may be set up in an almost infinite number of positions, even straight down if necessary. Coiled nylon conduit protects the mast wiring and manages the power cable as the mast is extended or retracted, eliminating the stretching and tangling that is common with traditional coiled cord. Operate the winch switch to raise the mast. The winch switch is located toward the rear of the enclosure, safely away from the moving components of the mast. Allmand V-Series light towers are extremely quick and easy to set up. The mast extends from its stowed position to full operational height in only 25 seconds. Flip the main breaker on, then use the light switches on the control panel to turn each light on. The lamps will require about 3 to 5 minutes to attain full brilliancy. Allmand's exclusive SHO-HD lighting system features 4 1250 watt metal halide lamps with 150,000 lumens of lighting power per lamp, providing a total of 600,000 initial lumens per trailer. 3 Allmand Nightlight Pro light towers provide more lighting power than 4 competitive light towers. To shut down the light tower and prepare for transport, switch off the lamps and lower the mast. With the mast retracted and the lights turned off, the engine may be safely shut down. Never shut down the engine with the lights on or with any other load on the generator. Unlatch the door holder and close the door. Fold the lamps down with the lenses facing each other. Use caution, the lamps may be hot. Rotate the light bar and secure it into transport position with the spring-loaded pin. Read and follow the setup and operating steps on the door and in the operator's manual for detailed instructions. A 120 volt 20 amp GFCI protected receptacle is available for auxiliary power. An additional 240 volt 30 amp receptacle is available as an option. The operator's manual holder, fuel filler, and hydraulic power unit are easily accessible on the opposite side of the trailer. Spare parts and accessories are available from your dealer or directly from Allmand. Please be sure to reference the unit serial number with any parts or service inquiries. Family owned and family operated since 1938, Allmand Assurance is your assurance of quality, value, and innovation in portable lighting.